Quality workmanship. The surface of the smart light strip is made of a flexible and safe materials as an isolation layer to protect LED beads instead of bare LED beads. Trim it to the perfect size with the included cut marks and flexibly installed under cabinets, TVs, or bed frames using the supplied strong adhesive and 3M tape. Hands-free voice control. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant and SmartThings to control Wi-Fi LED strip lights power on, off, adjust brightness, or change colors, free up your hands and create the ambiance needed for party. New entertainment experience. Built-in high-sensitivity microphone oers dynamic audio sync and supports modes such as movies, games, and music, smoothly sync with your music or ambient sound from TV, PC and enhance entertainment experience with vibrant lighting. Smart app features. Use Sengled home app access to customize rooms, dynamic audio sync, DIY scenes, 16 million colors to choose from. Use it with voice to easily control entire rooms or levels of your home with one command. Customize scenes and schedule setting. Sengled Alexa LED light strip comes with 27 preset scenes. You can also customize scenes, name it and select devices, easily control after saving. Schedule your smart LED strip to automatically turn on and off exactly to help you sleep better and wake up. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice product, fun features. Many of the Alexa devices I purchased recently have had issues staying connected. These lights are an exception, and never lose connection. The adhesive is strong, they look great, and all the functions work correctly. My son loves them.